In this episode, our brave friends journey deeper into the forest, where a mysterious silver glow reveals their greatest challenge yet.
The wise owl gives them an ancient map, warning that the path to the Lightfall waterfall is guarded by the silver wolf.
As they walk deeper, the forest grows colder. A silver light flickers through the trees.
They discover a giant paw print, fresh and deep. The silver wolf is near. Then, from the mist, the silver wolf emerges, glowing, powerful, and majestic.
The wolf charges! Our heroes leap aside just in time.
They race across an old wooden bridge, but the wolf's weight shatters it beneath them. Squirrel spots a narrow crack glowing faintly. They slip inside, escaping the beast, for now. Inside, a crystal cavern spreads before them, shimmering like starlight. Ancient carvings reveal the truth. The Lightfall waterfall hides the crystal they seek.
And at last, the magnificent Lightfall waterfall appears, glowing with magical energy.
But the silver wolf returns, this time guarding the waterfall itself.
With trembling courage, Chicken and Squirrel prepare to face the guardian of the waterfall.
But surprisingly, the wolf does not attack. Instead, its eyes soften, as if it knows their purpose.